Hey lovebirds, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. Okay, so this is a 2-week update on this unit that was sent to me by Klaiyi Hair. Right there, I was just showing you guys that I did use my Fructis Sleek and Shine, and I did use my Fructis holding spray on the hair prior to flexi riding it. Okay, y'all, so I am not a good flexi rider. This was like kind of like an experiment for me. I had watched Rabiana Simone's video, and I basically tried to do the things that I had saw her do, and I wasn't mad at the outcome. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. The rest is basically the same stuff you guys always see me do, and then we're gonna go into the 2-week update. Once again, this hair was sent to me by Klaiyi Hair, so shout out to them again. All of the information about the hair, all the information about the company and stuff will be listed down below in the description box for you guys' convenience. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helping Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously done styling this hair. And I want to say, once again, big shout out to Klaiyi. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but thank y'all. Big shout out to you for sending me this unit. This will be a 2-week update and some change. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks and maybe 2 or 3 days or so since I actually reviewed this hair, and I kind of wanted to switch it up on y'all. Okay, I want to give you something a little different. Okay, but before we get into any of that, I want to give you guys the specs again on this unit because it has been 2 weeks. I mean, honey, you know, maybe you ain't even see my first video, so I want to give you guys the specs on it. Okay, so this unit is a 360 lace front body wave wig, and it is 26 inches long. It's 180% density, and yeah, it's gorgeous. So I will have all of this, the information and all that stuff in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to my initial video, the video that I did on this hair. I will have that in the description box as well, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I like the wig. It has been 2 weeks and it's still as pretty as it was initially. Now, I did want to do something a little bit different this time. I think initially I used the pin curls. Didn't I do the pin curls? I think I did. Did I do the pin curls, y'all? I think I did the pin curls. And this time I really want to do the flexi rods. Like, I don't use flexi rods a lot. I'm actually very much a novice when it comes to flexi rods. Y'all, did I put my eyelash too far down? Because my eyelash is sagging. But I'm a novice when it comes to flexi rods. So I'm always a little anxious, a little bit nervous to even use flexi rods. So, but I wanted to do it. I saw this video this girl did, and she had these pretty flexi rods. I think her name is Rabiana Simone. I love her name. I don't know why I said I think that is her name, Rabiana Simone. And I watched her video. Mine didn't come out as full and as, you know, as voluptuous as hers, but you know, I'm pretty sure that comes with over time, getting more experience on how to do the flexi rods. But I'm still not mad at the curls that I did get. I actually rolled this hair up, or flexi rodded this hair Friday, either Friday or Saturday, because I know I had to work, and I worked this past weekend. So I want to say it was either Friday or Saturday that I flexi rodded the hair, and I just set it to the side, and I was like, okay, so today is Wednesday. Y'all probably will not be seeing this video till Friday or Saturday, but today is Wednesday, so I was like, okay, it's time. Okay, now we're gonna see what these curls will look like, and this is the best flexi rodding job I have ever done. Okay, it may not be much to some of y'all, okay, but it's everything to me. Okay. So yeah, I really want to do something different to give you guys, you know, I try to come up with different looks, and I be researching. In all actuality, I just really like to watch people do their hair. Okay, I really like to watch people do their hair, and I really like to watch people put on makeup. But I'm researching in the process. So yeah, I try to find different things so you guys don't be looking at the same stuff over and over and over again, because I mean, it's all basically, it's hair, okay? You know, it's hair. But I try to do different styles. Even though I'm not a beautician, I'm not a stylist, I have no training with that whatsoever, I still try to bring you guys, you know, some little cute looks. And I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. Like, if you see me doing something, whether it's makeup, whether it's hair, if I can do it, you can do it, because I am no expert, okay? I am no expert. This is all me watching videos on YouTube, just like y'all are watching me right now, okay? So if I can do it, you can do it. So that's what I wanted to say about those flexi rods. If you like these curls and you want to do them, trust me. If you saw me do them, you can do them. Okay, so the hair in itself, I think the hair is really nice. I have worn this wig maybe 2 or 3 times since I did my review, and I haven't had any issues with this wig whatsoever. Like, I've worn it to work, and wearing a wig to work is the real test for me, okay? To wear a wig for 12 hours, usually longer, because I usually will do my hair 2 or 3 hours before I go to work, okay? That is the real test. So, anyways, I wore it to work, and it didn't really get on my nerves, even though the hair is really long. That's another thing. I don't really like to wear very long hair to work. So, even though the hair is really long, I had no problems with it wearing it to work. I ended up putting it in a ponytail, of course, but there was still no shedding. I still didn't get any tangling with this wig. I just feel like the hair is just nice, so maybe that's why, especially with it being long, because they're going to be, you know, kind of iffy when it's long. But I didn't have any issues with it, so I like it. 2 weeks later, And like I said in my other 2-week update in the other video, 2 weeks may not seem like a long time to some of y'all, but you guys know, you wig wearers in the wig world, 2 weeks can be everything, okay? 2 weeks can tell you if hair is garbage or not, okay? 2 weeks can be everything. So, yeah, that's what I have to say about this unit. And yeah, all the information, direct links, all of that good stuff will be down below for you guys' convenience. And am I done? Every time I wear this shirt, I feel like it makes me the widest chick ever. Like, I just feel, you know, I don't know. But anyways, y'all, I think I forgot to put Juicy's picture in one of those videos that I did. So I'm gonna put it in this video. Okay, so my baby picture is gonna be right here. His birthday was Sunday, so shout out to Juicy. Happy birthday, happy belated birthday, all that good stuff. Okay. Once again, shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. So thank you guys so much. I do love it. And I will, like I said, have all of the information down below in the description box for you guys' convenience. And yeah, we are going to do a lint check and a full 360, and we're going to wrap this thing up, okay? Because I think this may have been the wig that I didn't do a lint check on. So this is the hair. And that's it, kind of straightened out. It's kind of long. It is 26 inches, so it is long on me. I am 5'4". And yeah, let's do a full 360 and we can wrap this up. If the back is a mess, y'all don't judge me. You already know how it is, okay? I should have separated the curls and all that while I was on the wig head, but I didn't, okay? A loss, I didn't, so don't judge me. So anyway, this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? What's good? We beefing. Click that subscribe button. Oh, my best friend. Hold on, boo. We beefing, okay? We beefing. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.